Gonna be... Oh, shawarma! Yun na shawarma. Let's run! Kal, alam mo na yung inspector.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1, turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma hot.
Yan. Mag-ready ka na.
Great. Now open the window. Let everyone know you're ready.
Open! Open! Openin mo.
Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are.
Kaya sabi... Ay! Sabi ko di muntas ha? Sabi ko di muntas.
And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Ako na magtitignan. Ikaw sa ba ah? Ikaw na magtitignan. Look back ako? Hindi. Ha? Kaya sabihin ko kung mag-noise moment na ititignan ko. Hoy! Ikaw kayang sasabi. Ikaw na. Ikaw na mag-share. Ayun! Normal. Normal siya. Ikaw kaya, hindi... Look back ako di may wed. Ate? Look back ako di wed. Ate? Ate, look back niya nga ako di na wed. Special gonna tanong, look back yang ako. Look back yang Ate, look back yang ako. Hindi ah. Matagal pa yan. Ano yung minute? Isa, wag.